If you wanted to pair it with something like this, you could totally do that. If you want to be back at school and look like this at school, like you're concentrating and you need a pen to work with, you could totally. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a simple liner, lipstick, and lashes look. I want to have like a nice liner, very bold lashes, and a bold lip. This is something that you could wear on a date night. You could wear it on a girls' night out. You could wear it back to school if you wanted to. It's up to you really. But I just wanted to do this quick little video for you. So here we go. I am sweating, so I'm going to turn my fan on because again, you guys know that I am recording this in my basement. So I have a little fan literally right here. And it's so hot, if I don't turn this fan on, I'm going to die. So there we go. I'm going to get started now, and thank you guys so much for watching.
So here you just see me putting on my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the color C12. I'm just placing this all over my eye, and then I'm just blending it in. Now I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm just using the color that is closest to my skin tone. I'm actually going to put the links down below because I just used different colored browns for this entire look. Now here I'm just going in with another darker brown, and I'm just again placing this in my crease. The point is to build as much color as possible in the crease, and I really just used different shades. I can actually put in the link down below or in the description box down below which colors I used. Now I'm cutting my crease. I am using, again, going back with that Makeup Revolution C12 concealer. Now in order to blend my crease, I'm just taking my brush that I've used, my blending brush that I used actually to blend my colors in my crease, and I'm just going over my concealer and making sure that everything is blended together. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe palette, and I'm just taking the beige shade and I'm putting that all over my lid. Now once again, I'm going back in with my blending brush, and I'm just blending all those colors in to make it seamless between the crease color and my lid color. Now here you guys just see me doing my eyeliner. I normally don't do eyeliner on camera, but basically I kind of draw it out and then like draw an outline of it, and then I just fill it in. That's really just what I do for my eyeliner. Now I'm using the Call Me Trees lashes in Feu Chile or Feu Chow. This is going to actually be the first time that I'm really putting my lashes on camera too. So what I do, because I have curly lashes, is I actually hold down my ends because they're curlier, and then I pretty much just place the lash on my I place the lash on my lash line, and that's really it. This is me realizing how good I look with these lashes, and I'm like, yes, these lashes are amazing. So you guys, please go and purchase, because they're really, seriously, they're amazing. They're soft and they look really natural even though they're long. So please hit Call Me Treese up and purchase her lashes, because seriously guys, those are really amazing. Now I'm just going in with my ColourPop concealer, and I'm putting this everywhere, under my eyes, on my nose, my chin, not my chin, I'm sorry, my upper lip, and I'm just blending this out with my beauty blender. Moving on to my foundation, and I'm just using my Lancome Tint foundation. I think this is in the color Sue 45. Again, I'll put everything down in the link below, or in the description box below, so you guys know exactly what I'm using. So I completed my eyebrows off camera. Again, if you guys want to see a video on my eyebrows, I will do one for you. I'll put a card here and just ask again if you guys want to see that. But right here, all you see me doing is pretty much cleaning up the concealer from my eyebrows, and yeah, that's it. So I decided to go back in with like a darker brown and just blend out the concealer with my actual color in my crease. And now I'm just highlighting my face with my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlighter. And from there, I will move on to lips. So I'm using the I Love Sarahi color in Arriba, and then a MAC pencil in Cherry. That's the color, Cherry lip liner. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It was more of like a neutral look with bold lashes, and shout out to my sister, Call Me Treese, because she is doing her thing with her lash line. The ones I wore today in this video are called Few Chile, like Few Chile. I'm assuming that's how you say it. I hope it's not Few Child and I'm just saying this wrong, but I think it's Few Chile. Anyway, these are the ones that I wore today in my video, and this bold lip is really so cute. It's from ColourPop. I think it's the I Love Sarahi line, and yeah, I Love Sarahi line, and this is called Arriba. And I thought this was more of like a date night, girls night look versus what I originally was gonna do, which was gonna be like back to school. And I mean, if you wanted to wear this back to school and pair it with some glasses that you don't really need, even though I actually technically do need glasses, if you wanted to pair it with something like this, you could totally do that. If you want to be back at school and look like this at school, like you're concentrating and you need a pen to work with, you know, you could totally, like, let's just say this was a pen real quick, like, I'm about to take notes, you know what I mean? Which you guys should take notes so you can get this whole entire look for yourselves, okay? Just joking. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.